Hey there, math adventurers, and welcome to this exciting explainer. Today, we're going to unlock a completely new way of looking at numbers. I mean, if you've ever felt like adding up long lists of the same number takes literally forever, well, you are in exactly the right place. In this session, we're going to make math simple, we'll look at multiplication made easy, and by the end of our time together, we're going to officially turn you into a multiplication hero.
Okay, so let's dive right into this adventure by asking a pretty important question. Are you ready to learn a magical, super fast trick for adding numbers? Because honestly, that is exactly what multiplication is. It's like this secret shortcut mathematicians use to save time, save pencil lead, and solve massive problems in the absolute blink of an eye.
All right, section 1, the warm-up, the old way of eyeing.
First up, let's warm up our brains with something you already know how to do perfectly well. It's always best to build new stuff right on top of a solid foundation, right? So we're adding the same number multiple times here. We've got 4 plus 4 plus 4. Go ahead and count them out in your head. How many 4s do we actually have here?
Exactly, we have 3 groups of 4. And if we add them all up, well, 4 plus 4 is 8, plus another 4 gives us 12. Now, you can always get the right answer this way, sure, but imagine if you had, say, 50 groups of 4. Writing all that out would literally make your hand cramp. There has to be a quicker, much more efficient way to write this.
Which brings us to section 2, the discovery, your new secret weapon.
So here is that brand new time-saving tool. Multiplication is simply a lightning-fast way to add equal groups together. And the absolutely crucial keyword there is equal. Like if you have one group of 3 and another group of 7, multiplication isn't going to help you. But if every single group has the exact same amount inside it, well, multiplication acts like a total math superpower.
Let's visualize this for a second. Imagine you're looking at these shiny red apples. We have 3 separate, equal groups, and there are 4 apples in each group. Now, instead of pointing your finger and counting them one by one, 1, 2, 3, 4, all the way up to 12, we can just use our new tool.
And this right here brilliantly illustrates exactly why multiplication is a complete game changer. On the left, we've got the old repeated addition way, 4 plus 4 plus 4 equals 12. But on the right, we have the new way, 3 times 4 equals 12. Writing 3 times 4 is just so much faster. It's cleaner, and it tells us instantly that we're dealing with 3 groups that have 4 items each.
All right, moving right along to section 3, training camp. Let's practice together.
Just like any new superpower, you gotta practice to really get the hang of it. So let's work through a few examples together. Take a look at these stars. We clearly have 2 separate groups here, right? And there are 5 stars in each group. So what's the quick multiplication way to write that out? Think about how many groups there are and how many are inside each group. You got it. We write it as 2 times 5 equals 10. Remember the golden rule for our new tool. The first number tells us we have 2 groups. The second number tells us there are 5 stars inside each of those groups. 2 groups of 5 makes 10 total stars. Simple, right?
Okay, now it's your turn to think a little harder. What do we get if we have 4 times 5? That means we have 4 equal groups, and there are 5 items in every single group. You can count by 5s if it helps you out. 5, 10, 15. What comes next?
Fantastic job. The answer is 20. 4 groups of 5 equal 20. You're already starting to think like a true mathematician, spotting those patterns and using the shortcut.
Time for section 4, Multiplication Hero Challenge. Test your skills.
All right, you've officially passed basic training. Now it's time to drop the training wheels and see just how strong your new skills have become. Here's a trickier one to start us off. Challenge 1. What is 7 times 4? Take a little extra thinking time for this one. Remember what it means. You have 7 separate groups, and inside each and every group, there are 4 items. If you need to, just do a little repeated addition in your head to find your way there.
Amazing work. 7 times 4 equals 28. If you figured that out, you're doing incredibly well. You're basically translating that multiplication sentence back into real-world quantities flawlessly.
Okay, let's try the ultimate boss challenge for today's explainer. 6 times 7. This is famously one of the trickiest multiplication facts to remember. 6 groups, 7 items in each group. Just take a deep breath, take your time, and think it through. Excellent thinking. You totally crushed it. The answer is 42. Honestly, if you can conquer 6 times 7, you've really got nothing to fear from the rest of the numbers.
Finally, section 5, victory and review. Smart tips to remember.
Now that you've conquered the boss challenge, let's lock in that hard-earned knowledge with your ultimate survival tool. The best way to make sure you never forget a new skill is to review the core rules right after you learn them. So whenever you see a math problem and you get stuck, use this smart tip. Always think in groups to figure out the addition. Step 1, use C 4 times 3. Step 2, don't panic, just translate it in your head to 4 groups of 3. And step 3, turn that into an addition problem, 3 plus 3 plus 3 plus 3, which of course leads you right to 12.
And remember, true math heroes always verify their work. You can always double-check your multiplication answer by doing the repeated addition, just to be absolutely sure. Like, if you think 5 times 4 is 20, quickly add up 5 4s. 4, 8, 12, 16, 20. They match, so you know for a fact your answer is 100% correct. Let's do a quick review of these golden rules that officially make you a certified multiplication hero. Number 1, multiplication means equal groups. 2, it can always be shown as repeated addition. 3, that first number is your number of groups. 4, the second number is how many items are in each group. And lastly, the whole point of this tool is that it helps us add those equal groups together with incredible speed. You did absolutely fantastic work today. You've officially earned your Multiplication Hero badge by mastering these core concepts. But, it makes me wonder, now that you've got this secret weapon, what exciting times tables will you conquer next? Think about which numbers you want to multiply next. Until then, keep exploring, keep practicing, and I'll catch you on our next mathematical adventure.